yourself. Mute your mic, beta. Okay. Come on, join your hands and close your eyes, beta. Saidam. Saidam, beta. Let's start with question answers. Okay. Is there any doubt regarding this? Any doubt related to the chapter? Have you understood everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And doubts which we said. The questions.
Okay, okay. Good.
Ma'am, I have just one doubt. Ma'am, AD means Anno Domini. So, ma'am, if we say that suppose 5th January 2012, so we say no, ma'am. Actually, 5th January 1996. So, ma'am, do we say Anno AD?
Yes,
January 1996.
AD only. Yes.
Ma'am, but how do we decide that it is after AD?
After AD means the birth of the Jesus Christ. From there till now, it is AD only. It is AD only. Okay, before the birth of the Christ, we call it before Christ BC. Okay, or BCE.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is AD only. Okay. Now, first question. Acha, you have pencils in your hand, no? Yes, very good, very good. Now, first one is match the following. Narmada Valley.
Actually, I have not. Hunting and gathering. The PDF.
Yes. Narmada. Yes, beta.
And actually, I didn't have the book, so I have downloaded the PDF.
Okay, no problem, beta. Doesn't matter at all. Okay.
And so, how can I join it?
If you wish, you can take my book. Okay, I'm having one book. Okay, you come to me. I'll give you. Okay. Okay.
And so,
I'll give you the
can
book.
I write it in the notebook? And can I write can I write the match in the book?
Yes. Narmada Valley, we know that the people, early men, they started living near Narmada Valley, near the banks of the river Narmada. They were
Hunting and gathering.
they were known for hunting and gathering because they were known as skilled gatherers because they collected food, fruits, etc. and they also hunted animals as a source of food. So, hunting and gathering. Magadha or Magad.
Ma'am, the first big kingdom.
Ma'am, the first big kingdom.
Very good. It was the first big kingdom.
Ma'am, we have to write this in a notebook or book.
Beta, in the book you can mark. If you wish, you can write it down. Otherwise, no need. Okay. Just try to understand. But whenever you are going through the question and answers, you must go through this also. Okay. क्योंकि ये वन वर्ड में आ सकता है, fill in the blanks में आ सकता है, such type of question. So you must go through it. Got it? First big kingdom. It was located in which place? What was that area? Kingdom of Magad.
Ma'am, Magad.
Where? Yes, Smith.
Ma'am, Magad.
Magad was the first big kingdom. It was situated near which river?
Narmada.
Ma'am, Ganga.
Ma'am, Mahajanga.
Tributary of Ganga. Tributary of Ganga, or you can say near the bank of river Ganga. Tributary of Ganga, that was river Son, small river. Tributaries means small rivers that provide water to the main river. Tributaries are the small rivers provide water to the main river. सहायक नदियां मतलब वो water उसको देती हैं, so that the main river becomes bigger and bigger. Okay, they provide water to that main river. Yes, beta, Aditri.
Ma'am, was it the area of the Mughal Emperor Ashoka?
Yes. Now, Garo Hills.
Early
We have seen
agriculture.
Yes, early agriculture. Early agriculture.
Narmada Valley is joined with what?
Narmada?
Valley
Huh?
is joined with what?
Hunting and gathering, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. These people, they started living there itself. Okay, that is why. They started gathering food also. They started settled life there. They started hunting there. Okay, because near jungle, it was situated, it was there. And near in the surrounding area, they used to hunt animals. Then Indus and its tributaries.
The first cities.
Ma'am, the first city.
Yes.
Under the first city.
First cities. And Ganga Valley.
Ma'am, Garos is
Cities about 200 years ago. 2,500 years ago.
Okay. Ganga Valley city is about 2,500 years ago. Okay. Now, the other one is list one major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. Now, major difference you all know, but change the question, write differences between manuscripts and inscriptions. Okay. If you will write this question, you are going to write only one difference. Okay. So write as many differences as you can. Okay. Now tell me, what are the differences between manuscripts and inscriptions? Who will tell? Who is going to tell? Yes, Shaurya?
Ma'am, the manuscripts are written in palm leaves and trees bridge, and inscription written in hard materials.
Okay, first point. You can write in your own language. Okay. Manuscripts were handwritten documents or records written on palm leaves or the bark of a specially prepared tree, birch tree. Okay. Whereas inscriptions were written on hard surface like metals, rocks, pillars, etc. and they were engraved. Engraved. उसको खुदाई करके लिखा जाता था. ठीक है. इसको हाथ से नहीं लिखा जाता था, but बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत लगती थी उसमें. Yes. Which will be the second point? Second difference between these two?
Ma'am, so that's why we can see inscriptions in stones because they were really dug in the rocks.
Yes. Second point, hurry up, think about it. Palm leaves, hard surfaces. What will be the other difference?
I just have a difference like the books were manuscripts and they were in palm leaves, but we cannot use inscriptions in books. So that would be a point like.
That could be a point. You can write that point, no problem at all, because you have understood that. Okay, manuscripts were in the form of books. That is what you are saying. Okay. And pillars that cannot be in the form of books. You cannot change the page or turn the page. Okay.
Turn pillars and stones.
Yes. Okay. Anybody else? Hurry up. Come with points. Think and speak. It doesn't matter whether your point is wrong or right, but think and speak about it. Yes, Nakshatra?
The insects can eat the manuscripts but not the inscriptions.
Very good. Insects could eat the manuscripts. Manuscripts could be destroyed by the insects, but inscriptions lived for a longer period.
Ma'am, one doubt. Ma'am, but how did insects destroy the manuscripts? They must be kept
Anywhere. Anywhere. These are natural things and the natural process like decaying of the natural things that take place after some time. Even they are
Ma'am,
preserved.
Ma'am,
Even
but I
if they
have
are
a doubt.
preserved. Ah.
Ma'am, how did insects eat the manuscripts which were written by hand on the leaf? They can eat them, ma'am, but the manuscripts must be kept in a safe place in their house.
Safe place, but the climatic conditions, if they change, like in your home during rainy season, you find that the houses are seeping or seepage problem is there, then you will find then fungus grows on that. So this ways, if climatic conditions are there such, then the palm leaves will destroy.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now the people which are not alive, so they didn't know that where it is.
But the stone, the metal, these things take long time or longer time. These can
Yeah,
be
now also.
preserved. These can be preserved. Okay. Second point. Then third point. If you write in the notebook with the help of pen or pencil, what can you do? If suppose you have made some mistakes, then what will you do?
Ma'am, manuscripts can be written with ink, but the inscriptions cannot.
Okay. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
Avika.
be written with
Ma'am.
feathers, but
Ma-
ma'am, let me
And we can correct the mistakes in the manuscript, so that you cannot correct the
If
mistakes in
manuscripts are
inscription.
handwritten, like you are writing in your notebook, you can correct them as you wish, according to your wish. Whenever you come to know that this is wrong, and I have written wrong, I have done a mistake, you can correct
Ma'am.
your mistake. But once
Ma'am.
it is engraved on the inscriptions, it cannot be corrected. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, do we have to write it in copy?
Yes, beta, Avika. You have to. Okay.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, right
manuscript,
now, or you will send it?
No, I will not send anything, beta. That is why we are discussing in the class, so that you can make a note of it there itself. Okay. Make small points and note it down there itself with the help of pencil. Later on, you can do it in the copy. Okay.
ma'am, manuscripts were written with feathers, ma'am, because in old days people didn't have pen or pencil, so they wrote with feathers.
Feathers, but they were using something, no, like they were preparing ink like thing, and they used to write on that.
I
Maybe.
mean, past they can also
Maybe they used something to erase the ink.
Ah,
And they can also
or if not
Natural
erase,
eraser.
they could able to cut it. They could cut that particular word and they could write next to that word.
And my manuscripts are the old books that give handwritten accounts.
cannot.
Manuscripts were handwritten, no?
The manuscripts are the old books that give handwritten accounts.
Yes. Yes, old books, old books.
Ma'am, Vedas are often written like in manuscripts.
Ah.
Ma'am, I haven't
Any
point.
other point? Any other point? 3 points you have noted down.
And this
Other point?
this is noted down. Manuscripts are written with manuscripts can be written with ink, but the inscriptions cannot.
Again, beta, Avika, repeat your point.
And actually, it's mine.
Avika, repeat your point, beta.
And Mavika wasn't speaking, her mic was off.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I have tell the point.
Okay. Nakshatra.
Ma'am, is this we have to write this? It's correct. Manuscripts can written with ink, but inscriptions cannot.
Manuscripts can be
Written with ink, but inscriptions cannot.
This is all about your understanding. Okay, if you are writing in the copy, you are using pen, pencil, ink. Okay, colors, etc. But while engraving, you don't use such things. You just engrave them. You just inscribe
Yes,
them.
so is this point is correct?
You can write it down better. No problem at all. It is totally on the basis of your understanding, your perception. Okay, no problem at all. 3 points, 4 points. Okay, 3, 4 points. Can you write it down?
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
now, not now, beta. Okay, fine. Let us discuss the next one. Return to Rashida's question. If you will go through the chapter, you will find in the beginning, Rashida is a girl and she is having a doubt in her mind कि 100 साल पहले, long ago, how come people come to know in present time that this
Can I
happened
tell?
at that time?
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I tell 3
Aditri.
points?
Yes, Aditri. Yes.
Ma'am, they would be able to, we would be able to know what happened 100 years ago from manuscripts, inscriptions, and old objects recovered from museums and excavations.
Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, understood this? With the help of the sources of the past, okay, like manuscript, inscriptions, then the remains of the buildings, bones, etc. Rishika, are you there, beta? Sairam?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Got the answer of the Aditri? Third question? Third question?
What, ma'am?
Answer is clear? Nakshatra, Yashmit, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer is clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We come to know about our past with the help of the sources, by going through the sources, by observing, by experiencing things. Okay. And the archaeologists have found so many things. On the basis of that, we know our history. Got it? So, coins can be added, several things like palaces, forts, old buildings, manuscripts, weapons, tools, utensils.
Sports.
Okay. You can add as many things as you wish. Okay. But at least name 3, 4 things. At least name 3, 4 things. Coming to the next question, fourth one. Make a list of, just wait. Make a list of all the objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made of stone? Now see, very simple. Yes. Who is going to answer? Except Nakshatra, Aditri. Wait. Anybody else? Harshvardhan, Ayat, Aniket, Anuj, Moin, Ayush, anyone? Avika?
Ma'am, very easy answer.
Very
Ma'am,
easy.
what's the question?
Come on, Sandeep.
Ma'am, what's
Come
the
on,
question?
Sandeep. Yes, Avika, you are saying answer? You are telling the answer?
Ma'am, what's the question? I'm not getting your
Fourth
voice.
one. Fourth one, beta. Fourth one.
Fourth one. Ma'am, make a list of all objects that archaeologists may find. Ma'am, that
Yes.
one.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, so, ma'am, like old monuments. Ma'am, weapons.
Weapons.
Ma'am, the question is which is made up
Ma'am,
of stones.
skeletons.
Yes.
And
Skeletons.
weapons.
First part of the question. Yes,
And
please pay
stone
attention. First
also.
part of the question. Yes. Yes, Rishika.
Ma'am, stone also.
Stone. What stone? Stone tools.
Ma'am, it's
Stone
skeleton.
tools.
Like
Skeleton. Bones.
gold.
Okay.
And
Okay,
houses in
fine.
gold.
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
can I say?
Just wait.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Just wait, Adita. Harshvardhan, what are you saying? Thank you, Avika. Thank you, beta. Yes, Harshvardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
What all things?
Ma'am, skeleton. And
Ma'am,
coin.
ma'am, the
Skeleton, that
temporary
means bones.
texture of
Skeleton
any.
coin.
Yes, sculptures.
Ma'am,
Yes.
weapons, pots.
Ma'am,
Yes,
inscription.
weapons.
Manuscripts on manuscripts on stones.
Ah,
Skeleton.
foil.
Fossils.
So many things are there.
Ma'am, fossils.
Okay, okay, just wait.
Ma'am, books. Ma'am, coins.
And jewelry. And
Jewelry, yes.
Pots and pans,
Very good.
Jewelry.
List is very big. List is very big.
Ma'am, pencil.
yes, ma'am,
This is very
jewelry.
big. Now tell me. Okay, first part you have solved. Very well. Okay. Now the second part of this same question. Which of these could be made of stone now?
Inscription.
Yes,
Weapons. Ma'am, weapons.
Inscriptions, you can
Ma'am, weapons. Ma'am,
yes,
fossils.
utensils. Write down utensils. What else? Weapons. Okay, so Behani is weapon.
used for writing inscriptions. Surface used for writing inscriptions.
Beta.
Ma'am, jewelry.
Ma'am, stone carving.
Jewelry.
Jewelry cannot be stone, it's very heavy.
Jewelries are there. Jewelries are there. Stone jewelries. Even today also people.
Ma'am, but jewelry is made up of stone are very heavy.
Ma'am, like in the stone.
Ask your mama. Okay?
Carving.
Ma'am,
Stone carving.
Carving.
texture of animal.
Ma'am, ruby, emerald, diamond.
The emerald.
Ma'am,
Okay.
those are gems.
Gem.
Sapphire.
Those are gemstones.
Ma'am, sapphire.
They got all these things. Archaeologists have found all those things, explored each and everything. Such type of stones also. They were knowing that these are rubies, these are gems, these are such type of.
No, ma'am.
No, they were not knowing it all. People of that age, they were not knowing, they were not acquainted of such things. They simply took the things and they started wearing it. They started giving shape to these stones. Okay, आज भी अगर आप जाओगे मार्केट में ना किसी ऐसी जगह में मेले वगैरह में फेयर में you will find that you will get there this what to say, the different items made up of small stones, pebbles. They used to use different types of pebbles or stones,
Yes,
colorful
ma'am.
stones.
Ma'am, jewelry is made out of stones, like colorful.
Stone.
Remains of buildings.
Ma'am, diamond is a stone. Which
Ma'am, diamond is made up of colorful stones.
Colorful stones.
Ma'am, remains of buildings which were in those centuries.
Remains of buildings. Buildings were made up of stones. Yes. What else?
Ma'am, stone
Nakshatra.
carvings.
Stone carvings. Idols of stones.
Ma'am,
Idols of stones. Okay, good.
ma'am, the surface
Nakshatra.
used in those centuries for
Ma'am,
writing.
like marble is stone.
Ma'am, paintings are
What
stone.
are the,
Ma'am, paintings are
understand the question first. What are those things which were made up of?
stone.
Stones.
Ma'am, surface
I
paintings of stone.
One by one. I'm not able to get you all, beta. Aditri, yes. Speak.
Ma'am, surface they used for writing inscriptions in those centuries were made of stones.
Okay. Yashmit. Come on, Yashmit.
Ma'am, stone idols.
Okay. Shaurya. Hurry up, hurry up.
Ma'am, weapons.
Weapons. Make a note of it. Nakshatra, hurry up.
Paintings made up of small stones.
Paintings.
Ma'am,
Okay. Made up of okay. On the wall caves. On the caves of the wall.
Ma'am, the temporary
Ma'am, like a different
of animal.
Okay. Paintings they used to paint the walls of the cave. Sorry. Uncle.
Ma'am, ball.
Ornaments.
Stone ball. Ma'am, stone buildings.
Okay, okay. Remains of buildings. In the beginning itself, Aditri told this. Remains of buildings.
Toys.
Tanvi, what are you saying? Ornaments also, Aditri, yes.
Ma'am, toys.
Toys, okay, Tanvi, okay, good. Toys, Sankalp,
Statue.
statue. Idol, somebody has said no?
Ma'am,
Idol,
like
stone
pots.
idol.
Yes, ma'am.
Pots, pottery, yes, very good. Yes,
Ma'am,
Rishika.
ma'am, like
Ma'am,
a treasure.
fossil.
Ma'am,
वो तो वही है
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, they
Bolo.
used stones
Ma'am,
for fire.
Ma'am, like a coins, treasure hunt.
मैम चूल्हा
Coins, yes.
Ma'am,
Adrita.
Ma'am, fossil.
Ma'am, they used
Ma'am,
like this
fossil.
special kind of stones to
Ma'am,
like
Fossils
make
were-
fire.
Ma'am, like a diamond.
Diamond. Better they were not knowing that this is diamond, this is this, this is that. Okay.
And ma'am,
They
they
simply
didn't know
started
that
using
these are
those
valuable.
things.
Ma'am,
Ah,
there were special kind of stones for like fire. So these
for
were
making fire, for producing fire, yes.
मैम फायर स्टोन्स
Okay. So 4-5 things. Ornaments, weapons, utensils. Okay. Buildings, toys, manuscripts. Okay. Not manuscripts, inscriptions. Manuscripts were not made up of stone. Okay. So write down 4, 5, 6 things which were made up of stones.
Then special and precious stones which were of value in those times.
Because they were not knowing, but those stones means that they have used for different purposes, they were recognizing them and making those particular things with the help of those particular stones only. Okay. They started recognizing them.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
is this
also
sword
some
made
coins
of stone?
of old time.
Yes, beta, coins were there.
Ma'am, is
Huh?
a sword made up of stone?
Yes,
Ma'am,
again,
sword.
beta.
ma'am, that comes in weapons.
Ma'am, fossils.
Swords, it was not like sword means something like you can say not a big structure, small one, like spear like structure, not swords. Okay.
Ma'am,
Shall we
fossil.
move? फॉसिल बनाया हुआ नहीं था बेटा. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि कौन सी चीजें जो अर्ली पीपल थे उन्होंने स्टोन से कौन कौन सी चीजें आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को मिली पुराने समय की. नाउ यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके. उनमें से जो
How we are sure that
चीजें
archaeologists get them?
आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को जो चीजें मिली उनमें से कौन कौन सी चीजें स्टोन से बनी हुई थी, ये क्वेश्चन है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. ओके. अदरवाइज यू मे मेक मिस्टेक्स. ओके. तो क्वेश्चन को आपका आंसर सही हो सकता है, ये रिमेन्स है. फॉसिल जो आप बोल रहे हो वो सोर्स है, बट दैट इज नॉट मेड अप ऑफ created by the people of that era. Okay, that period. Next one. Why do you think ordinary men and women did not keep records of what they did? Now, very interesting question.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Just
can
wait.
I?
Ma'am, can I?
Just wait.
Ma'am,
Dhananjoy. Those were
Yes,
not
ma'am.
speaking at all. Yes. Now, answer the question. Fifth one. Fifth question.
Ma'am, I don't know.
I don't know. Come on, try.
And because they didn't done any special thing.
Yes. Hurry up, hurry up. According to you, what do you think? Hurry up. Hurry up, बेटा. देखो सारे अपने ना फैमिली में जैसे लोग होते हैं ना, सभी को सब कुछ पता होता है. मुझे भी पता है, आपको भी पता है, सारे आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी पता है. आप गलत बोलो सही बोलो डजंट मैटर एट ऑल, बट यू शुड स्पीक. यू शुड स्पीक. तब तो आपको पता चलेगा बोलने के बाद कि मैंने गलत सोचा या सही सोचा. हरी अप, कम ऑन. इतने सारे हाथ मेरे सामने खड़े हैं. ऑल आर विलिंग टू स्पीक आउट. मुझे आपकी भी आवाज सुननी है. हरी अप Prinanjoy. नो. ठीक है, आज मैं कॉल करने वाली हूँ पापा को फिर. सृष्टि, कम ऑन, स्पीक आउट. आपकी आवाज मैंने नहीं सुनी, कल भी नहीं सुनी थी, आज भी नहीं सुनी. हरी अप, हरी अप. सृष्टि, आर यू देयर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कम ऑन, स्पीक आउट. क्या हुआ, समझ में नहीं? हाँ, यस.
I just forgot the meaning of ordinary.
कॉमन पीपल.
Yes. Just a
जनता. सब्जेक्ट्स. राज्य के जो लोग
because
थे.
they are not having such a thing that they can maybe keep records of them because some
I cannot understand the question.
Aditri, go and drink water. Aditri, drink water. Go and drink water. Yes. Okay, thank you, Srishti. At least you spoke something. Yes, Nakshatra.
Ma'am, because they didn't have anything like special to record.
Okay, fine. They were not having anything to record, to make a record of that. Okay, to keep record.
And I have another answer.
Fine. Adrita, just wait. Adrita, just wait. I'm coming to you only. Okay. Ayush, are you willing to speak? Ayush, where are you? Can you speak? Can you say something? No. आर्यन, अविका से नहीं पूछ रही हूँ क्योंकि अविका बोलती है अच्छा लगता है. जस्ट वेट. जो नहीं बोल रहे ना उनसे बात करनी है मुझे भी. आर्यन, आर यू देयर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Add one point. Why do you think that ordinary men and women, they did not keep records of what they did?
Ordinary men and women did not keep a record of what they because they did not find the events of their daily life to be of such.
You are reading from somewhere?
No,
Are
ma'am.
you? हाँ.
मैम जो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है वो बोल रहे
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Okay, good.
Can I?
What, Aryan, completed? Completed, Aryan? Aryan,
Yes,
completed
ma'am.
your sentence? Okay, good. Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
any point?
Ma'am.
Like to add?
What, ma'am?
Reasons behind that. Why ordinary people,
Ma'am.
they did not keep record.
उस समय कुछ उनके पास
हाँ.
नहीं था.
समझ
Ma'am,
में
can
नहीं
I-
आया. Okay. अक्षर, बोलना है कुछ?
Ma'am, write in stones.
Adrita, yes.
Ma'am, in the olden days, like the ordinary people were classified as poor people. So, because of the lack of money, they couldn't buy the right tools to carve on the stones.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now
in
can I?
ancient times the money was not there.
Yes. Okay. Aditri, come on.
Ma'am, because they did not know the art of swimming in the beginning.
Yes, Rishika.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Ma'am.
Just wait, Adrita. I'll be
Okay,
coming
ma'am.
to you. Rishika, come on.
Stones.
What is your point, beta?
Ma'am, write on stones.
Ma'am, can I?
Write on stones. Beta, the question is this. Why, in your opinion, why do you think so? That people of that particular age or time, they did not keep any record what they did. Like मैं एक ordinary people हूँ and I am thinking कि क्या करना है लिखकर, क्या करना है ना, एंजॉय करो, मजे से रहो, व्हाई टू कीप रिकॉर्ड ऑफ एवरीथिंग. तो कल मैं अगर हिस्ट्री बन गई तो मेरे बारे में तो कोई नहीं जानेगा, है ना, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट रिटन एनीथिंग अबाउट सेल्फ, अबाउट माई सेल्फ. ठीक है, तो मैं हिस्ट्री बनूंगी तो मेरी हिस्ट्री में कोई जगह नहीं है, बिकॉज मेरे लिए किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है. ठीक है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट, because I am not interested in that. If suppose somebody is very much interested in writing about self, writing about the deeds of that particular time or of his or her life, he or she may write something, may write books. Like
Ma'am,
we used to
autobiography.
read so many books, autobiography
Ma'am,
or
can I
story
see the
books
answer?
about the life of the other people.
Which
Why? Because
question?
those people have written something, because they were interested in writing.
And ma'am may write some good qualities about themselves even if they didn't
Yes.
had that quality.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So
can I
these
see the
people,
answer?
these ordinary
Boasting.
people, they were not at all literate. Just remember, that time everyone was not getting the right to get education. They
Study.
were not literate, that is why they were not at all educated. Okay, तो एजुकेशन किसके लिए थी? केवल किंग्स के लिए थी, या रॉयल फैमिलीज के लिए थी, और ब्राह्मण्स के लिए थी.
Yes, ma'am. Price sons.
प्रायोरिटी इन्हीं दोनों को मिली हुई थी. दे यूज्ड टू स्टडी अ लॉट. ठीक है, लोअर कास्ट पीपल या सोसाइटी में और किसी कास्ट को पढ़ने का कोई अधिकार नहीं था, और विमेन्स को तो था ही नहीं. विमेन दे वर नॉट एबल टू स्टडी एट ऑल. ओके, बहुत ही क्या बोला जाए कि कुछ एक होंगे जिनको मिला होगा ये राइट, या फिर
Ma'am,
उन्हें
princesses.
दिया होगा, है ना. अदरवाइज सोसाइटी में ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ कि जो विमेन है वो एजुकेशन के लिए बाहर जाए या अपने आप को एजुकेट कर पाए. तो लोअर कास्ट के लिए पहले ये था, बस ये दो ही लोग थे सोसाइटी में, पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू रॉयल फैमिली एंड प्रीस्ट और ब्राह्मण्स. they could get education, they could study. तो इन्हीं को पढ़ना लिखना आता था और किसी को नहीं आता था, बिकॉज दे यूज्ड टू इंटरैक्ट इन संस्कृत ओनली. ओके, हमारे जैसे लोग जो थे, जो कॉमन पीपल थे या जो सब्जेक्ट्स होते थे, जो उस जगह के प्रजा होती थी, उनके लिए लैंग्वेज संस्कृत उनको आता नहीं था. दे यूज्ड टू कम्युनिकेट देयर व्यूज इन प्राकृत लैंग्वेज, इन लोकल लैंग्वेज. So they were not able to write anything. Even if they wished to write, they could not write, because they were not knowing anything. They were not literate at all. So they were not educated.
They were illiterate.
हाँ,
Uneducated.
दूसरा आपने बताया कि उनको लगा कि फालतू की चीज है. They were not interested in writing. Even if they are knowing about writing, they were not able to write, because they were not feeling that this is very important to write somewhere, to keep a record of everything, to keep a record of our deeds.
Ma'am, if we are not interested, nobody can force us to do that unless we are not interested.
Yes, ma'am.
Unless you are interested in doing that. ठीक है, तभी तो मम्मा पापा पीछे लगे रहते हैं, स्टडी स्टडी स्टडी. बट इवन then also you cannot study. Why? Because you are not feeling to study, to do like that. जब तक आपका मन नहीं होगा, आपको कोई बिठा के पढ़ा नहीं सकता. बस आप अपने पेजेस को टर्न करते रहोगे, जबरदस्ती में गुस्सा होते रहोगे और गुस्सा निकालते रहोगे. ठीक है, इरिटेट होते रहोगे. लेकिन आपकी अगर इच्छा होगी, इफ यू आर विलिंग टू स्टडी, किसी का कहना नहीं पड़ेगा, किसी मम्मा को ये नहीं पुश करना पड़ेगा, आपको फोर्स नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि चलो बैठ जाओ पढ़ने के लिए. नो, नथिंग डूइंग. ओके, you can study on your own if you are willing to do that. So that time, ordinary people, they were not able to read and write, so they did not write anything. They were not interested in doing that. They thought that this is the wastage of time or money. Okay, they did not write anything. They were not having money to inscribe, to carve the things on the stone or pillar. They were not having money.
Ma'am, they weren't having tools.
हाँ, they were not having tools even to write it down. फिर दूसरी बात कि उनके पास कुछ ऐसा था ही नहीं कि वो लिखें. नॉट सो स्पेशल. ठीक है, हम कुछ स्पेशल मोमेंट्स के बारे में बहुत लिखते हैं डायरीज में, कहीं पे नोट डाउन करके रखते हैं, बट उनके लिए कुछ भी स्पेशल नहीं था. सो दे डिड नॉट राइट एनीथिंग. ठीक है, तो ये 3-4 पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं. अगर हम सोच कर देखें कि सबसे पहली बात पढ़ना लिखना आना चाहिए, वही नहीं आता तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. दूसरी बात हम में इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए, वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो हमें कोई नहीं लिखवा सकता. तीसरी बात उनको लगता था फालतू की चीजें, इससे तो अच्छा जाके कुछ काम कर लें. उनके पास टूल्स नहीं थे, उनके पास पैसा नहीं था, उनके पास टाइम नहीं था. So they did not write anything. They did not keep records of what they did. Yes, beta.
That time also there are rupees of paisa.
But not like we are using at present. Not in this way, but that time they mainly use barter system. They exchange things. Barter system was prevailing in the society that time.
Ma'am, so what was important? Ma'am, so what did equal to, ma'am, like today money?
What was barter system?
Important to them.
Barter system is, suppose I am having something, you are having different thing. I just exchange those things.
Ma'am,
Okay,
So, ma'am,
ma'am.
I'm asking, right today.
Ma'am, trading.
Someone,
ma'am,
ma'am, I'm
what
asking.
is barter system?
Barter system means taking thing by giving something. Okay, exchange of things. When money was not prevalent in the economy, that time people used to get these things from others by exchanging their things. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like today money is important. So, ma'am, what was important equal to money in those times?
That was not mentioned anywhere. Whatever somebody is having, that is important for the other person. Like a cobbler used to prepare shoes and footwear. The other person, like farmer, they are growing crops. They used to exchange those things, particular things which were required by them. So that time, the person who is in means who is badly needed that particular thing, that person they might decide कि इतना तुम दोगे तो then only I'll be going to give you this particular thing. So that varied from person to person. That was not means no standard value was there, no standardization कि इतने के बदले में ये मिलेगा, अगर आप मुझे 1 बोरी चावल दोगे तो मैं ये दूंगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. That varies. Okay, it was different for different people. It was different for different people. Okay, next one. Okay, 6th one you will be doing on your own. Now see, very important question, but very simple question. What is this? Describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of kings would have been different from those of farmers. Now, can you list some differences about farmers and the lives of the kings?
Yes, ma'am.
List out some differences.
Yes, ma'am. We can discuss it here too if you want.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
the
if you
kings are
don't
very
mind-
lazy.
Huh? Kings were very lazy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, they stayed in a luxurious
They
life,
never
so
did their
that's what
servants. Okay, they were
made them
dependent.
lazy.
Farmers
Yes,
are
very
and the farmers and
Yes.
the farmers.
Farmers were very
hardworking.
hardworking. Very
Hard
good.
And the king.
So this way you can you write 5-6 differences? Can you list out 5-6 differences?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
and the kings were also dependent on farmers for food because if they grew crop, then only there was food for the kings.
Huh.
But
Yes.
farmers
And
used
that-
to also.
Ma'am,
So the
farmers were dependent on kings too.
and the king was dependent and the farmer was independent.
Farmers were independent. They could grow and they could eat. Okay,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
could survive, but kings won't survive that time if they won't provide. If the farmers would not have provided the crops or the grains, the king
Kings were only
What happened to
depending
kings?
on.
Cannot eat anything.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Five,
then
at least 5 points. At least 5 points. At least 5 points. Can you write on your own? 5 points.
Yes, ma'am. It's
okay,
ready.
ma'am.
Ma'am, shall
We
we?
have to write this.
We have to send it to you in your personal number or not?
On your group.
Ma'am,
What
do
do
we
you
have
want to
to?
say?
Ma'am, do we
Okay,
have to
We
send
don't have more.
Ma'am,
because we have discussed everything, I'll be sending few more questions, extra questions to write down. Okay. Then
Ma'am,
we'll
Okay,
discuss.
ma'am, so we
Then
don't have to.
Ma'am, then we can
no
send
have to
it.
send.
You don't have to send
I
it
may ask you to show
Ma'am,
me.
then we can send you.
I may ask you to show me. Okay. I may ask
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Okay, okay.
Yes, beta.
The kings were following Lagan system.
Ma'am, please repeat the sixth
Ma'am,
question.
ma'am, for history, do we use the rule page copy or one side ruled and one side blank?
Both the sides. Both the sides.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The next one, one more question is there. Last one. What were the subjects on which books were written in the past? Okay. What were
Sanskrit.
those subjects? Subjects. Sanskrit was the language. Sanskrit was the language.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Can we write that the kings were following Lagan system?
Religions.
What
Ma'am,
question?
religions. Ma'am, religions
Yes.
and kings and their victories.
Religions or religious faiths or
Ma'am,
beliefs.
Ma'am, we would have Vedas, Ramayana, Mahabharata.
And holy books.
Ma'am, epics.
Epic.
Right, Vedas, Ramayana, and Mahabharata.
And can we write that the kings
Mahabharata.
were following
Okay.
Lagan system?
Following.
The kings were following Lagan system.
Lagan system. What do you
Ma'am,
mean by
Lagan-
Lagan?
Lagan system. Ma'am, that the farmers
By
have.
Lagan, just wait.
Ma'am, the farmers have
That
to.
came later on, beta. That came later on, Yashmit. That came means in later stages. That the king used to get Lagan and this. जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, वो बहुत पीछे आया, बहुत बाद में आया. जब ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हुई कि हमें लेना चाहिए, टैक्स लेना चाहिए, तब ये आया. ठीक है. Earlier it was not like that. Okay. Lives of kings, medicine, science. Okay. Then you have said about religious faiths, beliefs, society. Okay. All
Ma'am,
such
kings
things.
and their victories.
About the victories of the kings.
Sometimes about
There
the
is
kingdoms too.
Find the word craft person on page 1. List at least 5 different crafts that you know about today. This you all know. Craft means कुछ जो हाथ से बनाते हैं, हांडी क्राफ्ट वगैरह. ओके. वो कौन कौन होते हैं, आप उसको बहुत अच्छे से लिख सकते हो कि जैसे वीवर्स हो गए, स्कल्पचर्स हो गए, स्कल्पटर्स, आर्टिस्ट हो गए,
And cobbler.
कॉबलर हो गया.
Ma'am, tailor.
Those who
Ma'am,
used to
tailor.
is
Writer, actor, scientist, musicians.
yes,
Ma'am, like carpenter.
carpenter. Yes. अब इसके बाद देखो, आर दी क्राफ्ट पर्सन,
Painter.
आर दी क्राफ्ट पर्सन men or women or both men and women? What do you think? Some work would have been done by the men only, some work would have been done by the women only, and there are few work which can be done by both. Okay, so you have to
Done by
make a
both.
list of that only. Okay, I have prepared this. What to say? A Google form. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Send
Yes,
the
ma'am.
link?
Yes. Ma'am, thank you very much.
हमें बुक बंद करनी है.
हाँ, बुक बंद कर दो. ओके. और हम शांति पाठ भी कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद जिसका गूगल फॉर्म हो जाएगा वो कंप्लीट करके चला जाएगा. ओके. ओके. लेट अस डू शांति पाठ. Don't leave the class now. Okay. Come on. Don't leave. Okay. I've said the link.
Yes, ma'am, we got it.
Link
Ma'am, lot of disturbance